Hi everybody, you are watching tutorials. My name is Alex, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this retro text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So you can change the characters itself, you can choose another font, and all of this text effect will maintain all of these properties. So let me show you how I did it in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start with a new document, Ctrl N, Command N. I'm working in the 1920 by 1080. Click Create. I have already had my one. Fill it with the yellow background just to see my white text. So grab the text tool and start typing your design. I'm working with the very interesting font called Helsinki XXL. Follow the link in the description. It's available for both personal and commercial use, I believe, and you need to choose black from two variations of them. So let me type the retro and set the font size to the giant 560 points. Click OK. Okay, we are all done. I want to delete the boss, fill and stroke for some of the reasons, because for the rest of our tutorial we are gonna do all of this, our fills and strokes and all of these effects through the appearance panel. So let me undock this appearance panel. If you can find your appearance panel, go to the Windows appearance or Shift F6. So in the appearance panel, add first of all the fill and set it to this color. So double click on your fill property, go to the hexadecimal field and type F7 E4 E9. Click OK to proceed to this very pale pinkish color. Let's create a stroke. So our next aim is to create a stroke. Click on this icon, add a new stroke on the bottom left of your appearance panel, and I'm working with the default black stroke, and let's shift it a little bit to the left and top. In order to do this, go to the effects, distort and transform, and here navigate to the move values and move it horizontally to -2 pixels and vertically to -2 pixels. Click apply to proceed the changes. You see our stroke is shifted a little bit, so it's this is how you can create a shifted outline, by the way, even if you're in your icons. So let's go further, and first we need to work with the fill. Let me delete the transparent stroke. We need to work with the fill, and I need to apply the two effect to distress a little bit my letters. You see it's a little bit distressed, some textures is here. In order to do this, navigate to the effect gallery, and we need to choose the charcoal effect. And for this charcoal effect, apply the thickness to 2, details to 0, and lightness and dark balance. This slider, push it to the right to 100%. Click OK. Next, let's go apply another effect called sputter effect. Go again to the effect gallery, and we can find it under the, I believe, brush strokes. Yes, sputter is here. So for this sputter, set the radius to 21, move the slider to the right, and smoothness to 1, move it to the left. You see it's add this kind of the small distressing. Click OK to apply the changes. Our next aim is to create a new fill. So go to the add a new fill and create a new fill. Move it to the bottom. Move it to the bottom, guys. To the bottom. Okay, let's move this fill on top. For this particular fill, I'm gonna shift it first on the bottom right to create a shadow. Solid shadow. Select this fill on the appearance panel, go to the effect, distort and transform, and for this particular effect we're gonna work with the move value of horizontal move value to 20 and vertical move value to 25. Check preview and click OK. Again, we have some problems because we didn't change any color. So let's change the color for this fill. Yes, for this fill. I'm gonna work with the color picker, and inside the hexadecimal field, type the color B3, B3. Click OK. Nicely done. Let's go and apply a halftone to this fill. So keep it selected and go to the effect. And we need to go to the pixelate and then color halftone and set these values max radius to 8, and all of the channels should be set to 4, type 4 in all of these fields. Click OK to apply the halftone. Okay, it looks decent, but again, for some of the reason we have the very mixed up result, and I believe because we have some inconvenience in position of our fields. I just move the effects. Am I right? Again, you can move the effects, it's not a problem. This is what we need to achieve. So don't mix the things up, guys. Don't move the effects. You can click on this chevron icon to actually hide all of the effects and then redistribute your fields over the appearance panel. Just hold the left mouse button key and drag to wherever you want. Next is to actually select this field below. You see it has this kind of halftone, but I don't like this whitish color. And to render the white on to transparent, of course, we need to use blend. So blending mode. Change the blending mode to multiply. The last but not least, let's go to the character panel. If you can find your character panel, go to the Windows character, and on the character panel increase a little bit the letter spacing. Just like this. Okay, it looks awesome. You can then play on your own, but this is the basic effect. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and guys, you can create the graphic style from this effect and apply to whatever you want, even for this rectangle. To learn how to create the graphic style, how to pack them into the action and create 1, 2, 3 click solution in the Adobe Illustrator, follow the link in the description to save your time, save your money, improve your Adobe Illustrator techniques. Thank you for watching, enjoy your day!